Another video, and today we're going to be drawing Apple Blossom. First, let's start off by drawing her nose, then the mouth and the tongue. So next we draw her eyes, and then we add eyebrows. After that, draw a flower. Then draw a stem on top of the flower. After that, we start drawing the leaves. Let's start drawing the shape, and then we go draw the arms, the feet. Now let's start drawing the ribbons on the feet. Start drawing the worm on top of her head. We'll start off with the eyes, then the mouth. Now that we're coming close to the end of the video, please like and subscribe. See you guys till next time. Thanks for watching.